What is up guys, Express Design here, and I'm back with another this time I'm creating a Spider-Man poster for the new game Miles Morales. Been really hyped for this game for a while, and I thought I'll make a poster out of this. So anyways, let's just jump right into it and let me show you how I made it. So the first thing of all, I found a nice little picture of Miles Morales just jumping in the air, but it didn't really fit the format I was going for, just I tried to duplicate the background a bit. So after that, I found the Spider-Man logo and tried to make it fit in the background. I really want to show you that the Spider-Man logo is in the back. So I cut out Miles Morales with the easy select tool in Photoshop 2021. Completely easy, just select what you want and right click and select via cut. Then I just made sure that the spider is also cut out so I can place him in the background. Let's speed that process up because that is really boring. So once I placed it at the back of Spider-Man, I tried to make it fit in, try to blend it a bit more, maybe put a gradient on top of that so it's not that high of a contrast. Once I like the color, I try to blend it in with a mist brush and a cloud brush to make it the feeling that it's in the back and Spider-Man is flying through it. Now I'm going to give Spider-Man a bit of color, some bit of color correction with the brush, just giving him some highlights, some red highlights, some white highlights and some orange highlights to really pop out those colors. I'm going to speed that process up as well because that's really boring, just me highlighting Spider-Man. Anyway, then I'm going to put some effects on it with my process pack, link is in the description, some couple of textures and lens flares on it. Now after that, I'm going to give it a bit more color, so with hue and saturation and brightness I'm going to pop up the colors a bit and change the color a bit to more red, to really get that Spider-Man red in the picture. Also I wanted to make sure that Spider-Man was like flying through it, so I wanted to give like a blur feeling, like he's really going at a speed in the poster. Then it's just placing of the Spider-Man logo and the PlayStation logo and the, of course, Insomniac logo as well. Just having a nice placement, make the bottom a bit more darker to really make up that white logo pop out a bit more. Now, After the logos, it's camera raw filter time. Now this is the most important stuff of every post that you're gonna make. The camera raw filter, you're going to pop out the colors way more and just make it feel like it's not that bland of a post that really gets your attention in a certain way. I'm doing the basics right now, but I'm gonna speed this process right up. And now that was it. I gave it some more glitch effects, like having the Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse feeling, and I really enjoyed what I made. This is like a short little project that I did. It was what, an hour and a half of. I think it came out really nice, better than my previous one on the PlayStation 4. Next video is something I asked in my Discord, the 1 layer challenge. You all guys enjoyed that idea, and so I'm going to do that in the next video. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.